First of all, we would like to welcome you all, my dear friends, in the e-classes of human rights. Today, we are going to discuss something about one of the most important aspects relating to human rights and Constitution of India. But before it, a prime question is before us, my dear friends. After the final judgment of the case by the Supreme Court of India, whether any other remedy is available in Supreme Court of India for that case, yes or no. In answer to the question, it can be said that the remedy is available. The remedy, namely, that is curative petition. So, I would like to tell you what is curative petition. The concept of curative petition has been brought by Honorable Supreme Court of India in the case of Rupa Sokhurra versus Rupa Sokhurra, AIR 2002 SC 1771. Now, I would like to tell you in detail. The conception of curative petition is one of the greatest achievements which are the results of the judicial response. Namely, this petition is most effective remedy for the people respective in the democratic system. This conception has been created and developed in the case of Rupa Sokhurra versus Rupa Sokhurra, as just I have told you. The 5 judges constitution bench of the Honorable Supreme Court of India has held that for the purposes of rectification of miscarriage of the justice in its final judgment, which cannot be challenged again, the court will allow the curative petition by the victim of miscarriage of the justice to seek a second review of a final order of the court. The 5 judges constitution bench of the Supreme Court, under the headship of the Chief Justice S.P. Bharucha, said we are of the view that though judges of the highest court do their best subject to the limitation of human fallibility, yet situations may arise in the rarest of rare cases which would require reconsideration of the final judgment to set right of miscarriage of justice. The court expressed that it would be the legal and moral obligation of the apex court to rectify the error in the decision that otherwise would have remained under the cloud of uncertainty. The judgment was given in a bunch of petitions on the question whether a petition could question a final judgment even after dismissal of a review petition. Honorable Justice Kadri said, we are persuaded to hold that the duty to do justice in these rarest of rare cases shall have to prevail over the policy of certainty of judgment, as though it's essential in public interest that a final judgment of the final court in the country should not be opened to challenge, but the court's concern for recording justice in a cause was not less important than the principle of certainty of its judgment, because there could be grounds that such a decision was in the violation of natural justice and that there was an abuse of the court's process. However, the court laid down the certain specific conditions for the court to entertain such a petition. So, the specific condition I would like to keep before you all. First is that the court reaffirmed that litigants are barred on challenging final decisions. Point number 2. But in the cases of miscarriage of justice, it would be its legal and moral obligation for the rectification of error. Third is that the petitioner will have to establish that there was a genuine violation of principle of natural justice and fear of the bias of the judge and a judgment that adversely affected him. Fourth is that the curative petition must accompany certification by a senior lawyer with regard to the fulfillment of the requirements. The petition is to be sent to three judges of the bench who passed the judgment affecting the petition. Six is that if the majority of judges on this bench conclude that the matter needed hearing before the same bench as far as possible, which may pass appropriate order, it should be listed. Seventh and last point is that they could also impose exemplary costs of the petitioners if his pleas lacked merit. With regard to all, this petition has most important significance for the interest and welfare of people, which has been provided by the medium of the judicial response in the Indian democracy. So my dear friends, if you like this video, kindly subscribe it, forward your comments as feedback, like it, share it, and also please keep watching our this YouTube channel. Thank you so much, my dear friends.